Good afternoon.
I'm your host, Natalia.
And I'm Parker.
And you're watching
the CMS Broadcast. Woo! It's Wednesday, November 20th.
And today on the lunch menu is a hamburger.
Ugh.
What? Why don't you like hamburgers?
I have a love-hate relationship with it.
Okay. Anyways, this is our last week of school before Thanksgiving break.
Well, 1 and 2 is coming out soon on November 27th.
I already have my tickets.
Me too.
There's a girls' basketball game on November 21st.
There's also a wrestling match on the 21st as well.
So make sure to go check them both out.
Another thing you should go check out is the school clothes closet.
If you're in need of clothes, hygienic products for a variety of reasons, please see Miss Jenna about visiting the clothes closet located in the 7th and 9th grade pod. There's a collection of all clothing in all sizes available for students in need. These clothes can be borrowed or kept.
Isn't it the 8th and 7th and 6th grade pod now?
Yeah, but old habits die hard.
Word.
There's a field trip today for the 8th graders at
OSU.
They will be returning at 3:30.
Oh man, I was actually getting quiet for once.
Don't be mean.
The truth hurts, hon.
It's National Play Monopoly Day and it's Carbonated Beverage Day with Caffeine Day.
What does that even mean?
I was just recognizing the game of Monopoly and carbonated beverages.
Well, I'm more of a chess guy.
Speaking of chess, No Chess Wednesday is today on the stage at lunch.
Yep.
So what's the point of having a No Chess Wednesday in a chess club?
I don't know. Well,
Aren't you in charge of the club, though? Okay, now on for the character of the week. Drum roll, please. It's Bibble.
like the little blue thing from that one Barbie show?
Yep, Bibble's a blue Bibble baddie.
Well, that's all today from CMS Broadcast. Peace out, peeps.
Bye.